Hey everyone, it's Rafael from digitalrafael.com, and in this video you're going to be learning the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing in 2018. Okay, so you're interested in getting traffic to your website, you're an affiliate marketer, you sell other people's products for a commission. Okay, and let me tell you, targeted traffic is very important if you're doing any type of internet marketing. Okay, and that is your only goal with affiliate marketing. Your goal is to get targeted traffic to in front of your offers for them to buy your product or the service you are promoting. Okay, so think traffic as like a highway, right? And your business is on Main Street. If your business is on Main Street and you're getting dozens and hundreds of cars each day, compared to someone else who's on a side street that only gets a few cars a day, you're more likely to get more purchases if you have a lot more cars that are driving past your business. Okay, the same works online. You have to get a large amount of traffic to your website or to your landing page in order for you to have any success online. Okay, so the first method here I'm going to teach you is Pinterest. Okay, now Pinterest has been getting a lot of attention within the last couple years because it has been growing substantially, and it's a great resource for you to get ideas. People go there to get ideas for traveling, cooking, fitness, and several different niches. And the great thing is, the only thing you need to do is create boards or images that are relevant to your niche and simply link to your website or to your landing page for then you to collect a lead or just to get them in front of your offers. Okay, so more women spend time on Pinterest, guys. So if your demographic or your target audience is a female, I think it's a younger demographic, like early 20s, even to late 30s, maybe into early 40s, you can target people on Pinterest. Okay, if you're in the cooking niche, fashion niche, all these niches work really well. You just have to put in the time to create good content that is relevant to your niche. Okay, and also infographics. Infographics are images that have a lot of information on them and really help someone if they're trying to learn how to cook, if they're traveling somewhere. I personally have gone onto Pinterest and made boards on traveling, on places I want to visit, things to do, and so infographics do really well because they provide a lot of information and they get a lot of shares. Okay, so if you can get a lot of shares, and that's going to mean a lot of traffic coming to your website if they click on your boards. Okay, so let's move on to the next traffic source here, and this is one of my favorites here: Facebook groups. Okay, a lot of people do this wrong. A lot of people, they post with links every single post that they do within a Facebook group. The great thing about Facebook groups is you already have targeted traffic, people that are interested in a specific niche. It could be affiliate marketing niche, it could be cooking, it could be a specific niche inside of fitness like yoga. All right, you can go there, but you have to be consistent and not be salesy. Okay, you can't just sell on every post that you create on these Facebook groups. Okay, and yeah, if you are consistent and if you're a contributor, you're contributing every single day, people are going to notice who you are and what you can offer, and they're more likely to, click on your links if you're providing consistent value that's relevant and it's not being salesy all the time. All right, so let's move on to the final traffic source that I'm going to share with you guys today, and that is YouTube video. Okay, YouTube is so powerful, guys. Video is just dominating the internet right now. Go on Facebook, just scroll through your newsfeed. You're going to see tons of videos because that is where things are going. People like consuming videos all day long. It doesn't require a lot of attention. You could listen to the video, but you definitely want to create YouTube videos. Okay, Now you can do a video like I'm doing right now, which is showing my face and sharing my screen, but you can also not show your face and just talk about your niche, or share your screen about a product that that you are promoting. And yeah, guys, it's very simple, and you can just drop your link in the description once you have created your video and you provided value in your videos. Okay, so those are some of the traffic sources that I've experimented with and that I have gotten some good results in, and hopefully you took away some valuable information here that you could apply to your marketing. Okay, so again, my name is Rafael. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and share with your friends if you thought this was helpful. All right, I will see you in the next video.